What's up, guys? Me again. Today I kind of want to do a product review demo for you. This is really going to help the guys that have really the Dodges and the Jeeps and the Chryslers that are getting stolen pretty heavily right now. Really for anybody else too, but right now the Dodges are a hot item. So what we have is we have a product from Tury, and what Tury is it's kind of like a pedal commander, controller, whatever you want to call it, right? So let me show you this thing and how it works. So the way Tury works is the app, and it connects to your module through Bluetooth, and does a couple things, right? So first we're going to start off with, right now I am in a SRT Grand Cherokee, and right now these vehicles are being stolen easily because apparently people are cloning keys, getting in, starting the vehicle up and just driving off. Right now, if I step on the gas, I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but the vehicle's revving, but if I step on the gas, the pedal's active. So what we do is we install this module, and this module basically takes control of the gas pedal. So I had the ability to create a password, and at this point, if I step on that gas, the pedal's dead. So if somebody did clone your vehicle and got in, they might be able to start the vehicle, but they ain't going anywhere. There's only so far I guess you can go without being able to press the gas at all. Now this vehicle will not allow you to drive or use the gas pedal until I unlock it with either this unique Bluetooth, identification of this phone, or unless I get in and manually put in the password that I set for this pedal. So since it's this phone and it recognizes this phone, it will allow me to unlock it, but you won't be able to do it from another phone. So now at this point, so you can hear, I got the pedal response. What it also allows me to do is it has what's called like a valet mode, right? So let's say you got kids, or you're at the casino and somebody else is driving your vehicle, right? And you don't want them out racing around in your car. So what I have the ability to do now is put it in like a parking mode. Again, I'll set whatever unique code that I want, that way somebody else can't pair up into it and unlock it. But now I have the ability to set it to where no matter how far I push this pedal down, I won't get more than 15% of the available, I guess, power of the throttle. And same thing, I can go 20%, 30%, 40%, and up to 50% of the throttle. But that'll keep people from just, going wide open throttle in your vehicle and out racing around. It limits the power. And then again, we can turn it off at any time with this phone, since this is the one that it's recognized and is paired up to it. If somebody else tried to pair up to it, it will not allow them to control it without that passcode that we set. Finally, what this is able to do is, up at the top here, we can set presets on how sensitive we want our throttle to be. So if I want to go out there and just start racing around and just wide open throttle all the time without having to push the pedal all the way down, I can turn the sensitivity all the way up. And as soon as I touch that pedal, it's almost like if I'm wide open throttle, pedal to the floor kind of thing. And then same thing, if we want to dumb it down a little bit, I can put it in city mode. At this point, the pedal's nowhere near as responsive, and I got to push the pedal all the way to the floor to be able to get that full power out of it. And then, just same thing with tour mode, a little bit more sensitive. Sport mode, even more sensitive. And then we put it in fast if we just want to go all out, just pedal to the metal kind of thing. And then at any point, we can just disconnect. Now the vehicle's as if it was from the factory. If something like this interests you, let me know. We do offer installation here. We're at 717 North Point Boulevard in Baltimore, Maryland. If you got questions about this product, let me know. We even just sell the product if you want to put it in yourself. Thanks for checking it out. If you got any questions, let me know, guys. Until next time. See you.